Here they are.
Yep.
Yes, from H&M, normal. Wow.
Wow.
It's a bit revealing in the back.
Ooh, wow.
That's kind of weird to school on Thursday. It's from...
Turn around.
The name. This is the back.
Tilly's. Do never go there. They have ugly shirts.
You can kind of tell that I bought it 2 sizes too big. But we don't care about that. Okay, I got this from obviously Aeropostale. And then I got this perfume. I got this from the restaurant we ate at today. It's based off of the movie Forrest Gump. Next thing I got are these jeans from Urban Planet. Do the Irish jug. Huh? The Irish jug. Is that it? No, the one they did on stage. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I like that. I didn't know that was your kind of style. You were right with what you said before, that you really get to know people when you go shopping. Yeah, right? That's a cute fit. Where is it from? These 2 shirts are from Forever 21. She's not in it. This is the New York sweatshirt.
That's me. Just kidding.
Ladies first.
We're getting in the elevator, and how would you guys describe the smell in there? Oh my god. The high boys from the elevator. This whole family is here. Who gets high on a family vacation? Because they just came in and they're all like it's like 20 kids in the pool, they all know it. Who gets high on our family vacation? They're like throwing Cheetos in the pool. This is very weird. Ellen, your turn. You happy? Good morning, guys. We are trying to figure out how to leave this hotel room.
That this fits.
I'm wearing the new clothes, if you guys can notice that. I have my very, very pretty Swedish shirt on. I have been in America in 7 months. I have been able to read my own language, see anything that's Swedish. So what's about to go down is just me feeling whole, like reading my own words, seeing stuff that's like Swedish fashion, no, not interior design, because I had been really homesick coming up to this trip. I really needed this trip to IKEA, and that's what you guys about to see, is me being happy. Right?
We have an apartment above my my apartment that I live, and we put those in the bathtub, and it's really cute. No, not in the bathtub, in a sink.
That's way too many pillows though. Hey.
Run.
Trouble with going and shopping with 05, so just keep on. It's not a thing in my country, so this would never seen it before.
Who?
Ellen has been going around everything she has in her house. She's been like, I have that in my house.
I have that.
Oh wow.
I'm in our front door. That's where I keep them. I have that at home too. I have one in my room for my shoes.
Ellen, can you say your famous line?
Korken.
No, your line that you have said the whole time throughout the store.
I have.
Oh, I have that.
Why did you lose all the acting?
I do have that one. I'm not gonna do it because I'm not gonna get up.
Oh, we didn't find. Did you see the girl?
So everything you've seen has been Scandinavian interior design. That's what Scandinavian houses looks like. We actually have color in our... this is kind of about me shitting on Americans. I see food.
That's IKEA.
Yeah, I'm getting one of these. How do you think you say that?
Våreld.
What are you guys trying to... Våreld.
Maximera.
Yeah, it was Maximera, that was close. Okay, the other one. What do you add? That's Alan's language.
Förvara.
Yeah, that was perfect.
What does that mean?
Förvara. This means store and that means maximize.
Wait, so
I
you
guess.
don't have the
We don't have a single sound. Hard word.
Låtsas.
Låtsas.
Låtsas. I hope the Swede that's watching doesn't get annoyed with my very, very heavy Stockholm dialect. Okay, this word maybe.
Underhålla.
Bro, when did you learn? Yeah, underhålla. Shit.
Underhålla. Sällskaplig.
Okay, no, it wasn't. Shoot.
Lufta.
Lufttät. Shit. Okay. This word. Oh, yes.
Stora tä.
Yes.
Stora tar.
Storätare.
Stora ätare. Got me on that one.
Oh, okay, now I'm fine. No, I'm okay. Årstid. Års. We have a bunch of sh sound. Årstid.
Årstid.
What was that? How you got possessed with?
Don't you want to get a vegetable?
That was the best meal ever.
Meatballs were actually really good. I give them 9.5.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't have to pull out this knife to threaten you. Meatballs. Out of 10. This paper.
It was really good. Like, even though I had
Did you have to?
even though I had the vegetarian version.
Yes, say a number.
2.
Out of 10?
Oh, I should, like, another random number. A 9.
Smile. Smile in Swedish. How do you say that?
Linde.
Lende.
Leende. To this country. Oh, look, Swedish for
The future of forest.
what have British accent?
That was horrible.
I know. British.
No, it's not.
I have been this close to editing that out. You better enjoyed our British accents. Ah, it's horrible.
I smell it.
I had that sausage.
The bowl.
I
Yeah,
had
like
What do you think of them?
she sent me a link.
I'm gonna try Swedish candy now.
I love my new purse.
Here comes an IKEA vlog. No, IKEA vlog, shit. IKEA haul. God, I hate how I look. Bara Polly. I kafferep, I bought hallongrottor, krystaller. Not a classic Swedish thing, but my family loves appetizers, so I've been craving these. Påskmust, which is the drink we drink on every holiday. And then I bought the jam, wait, with the meatballs. I also bought cinnamon roll. Now we are gonna go outside and play. Because Adam doesn't let me on sale, I'll be inside and watch Netflix.
No way. Sorry, my mom said to me. Like, almost up and
Oh,
Oh, shoot! Ow! No! That is not acceptable. Seriously?
Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. No, Zoe. Zoe looks scared. Has Zoe ever seen fire before? Hi, Siva. You've seen fire. Are you pooping?
Yeah, the wood needs to burn.
Oh, that's not good.
Chomps and also.
How's your stick doing now?
God, it's doing great, okay?
You guys notice it's all on the outside. We have nothing, no wood really burning.
Yeah, it's burning.
You're sad?
I made this thing in fabric construction, and I'm happy she's using it. Kind of forced to do it, but you want any spices with that?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Is it good?
Yeah.